How to get United Airlines promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in United Airlines and search for it. Now click on this website option, united.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of United Airlines. Now you can log into your account, book your flights, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, type in the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. But where can you get United Airlines promo code? For that, open a new tab, type in United Airlines promo code, and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open any of these. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo codes for United Airlines. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. You can see that $150 off, $75 off, 65% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on See Details. So here's the code, you can copy it. Click on Redeem at United Airlines. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now you can log into your account, book your flight. While you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your flight. And just with that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, also try out these offers. In this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Also check out these websites, as these websites will also provide a working promo code for United Airlines. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.